replacing a furnace, or the furnace core I should say. So the core is what goes inside of the metal cage. The metal cage has the ductwork that goes onto it, and the core just goes inside of that, of course. So this is a 35,000 BTU furnace. This is a vertical one, so it goes up and down and mounts to the outside of the RV. The old furnace had quite a few issues. It didn't have a door on the outside for a while, so the fan has vibration in the motor, the board doesn't work all the time. Multiple issues that the customer wanted to go with a new replacement core, so that way they wouldn't have to worry about the furnace not working properly. So we have the old one out, put the new one in, put all the screws back in place, put it back into the RV, hook a ductwork up, propane line, 12 volt lines of course. Then we'll test it, make sure everything works, and follow that up with a propane leak test. And the customer will have a properly working furnace and be good to go for the cold season.